RTI activist Disparsing Rani, at a press conference held on the 21st of July 2022, spoke about certain violations by residents of Sweeper Line at Them Ïew Mawlong, Shillong, on the possession of what has been considered as tribal land. Speaking to media persons, Disparsing Rani said that the settlers at Them Ïew Mawlong have violated a few clauses of the agreement of 1954 that was signed between the Shillong Municipal Board and the Them Ïew Mawlong. As per the agreement, the land was handed over to the SMB in exchange of a plot on the opposite side of the road, with a clause that the land would be used only for quarters of the sweepers of the board. Rani informed that the settlers of Sweepers Line have been occupying the colony without proper land document and no objection certificate to back their claims of land. He therefore opined that the land can be recalled from the SMB by the Them Ïew Mawlong, as it had done in the case of his plot of land at Yodo that was recalled by Ïew Mawlong, citing reasons related to the welfare of the people.
Kumangitip bakari Jakaju municipal bajong suil. Jakaju municipal bajong suil. Te kajing sia shwa ban yo ringlat yang tai NOC ta is emos bade ban yo na po suil na ne po municipal. Ndre habang apan ya kata NOC nang tai na po MeECL ya kata risk NOC ri gilong record unavailable. Kita sensia ni ka ada report bakal athawa record unavailable. Ni kata ba kapau kaba don ayu hendet jong kata kaba kibasa hantai nalor ba kim don pata nalor ba ki olai nalor ba kim don pata nalor ba ki olai. Number 1 kalau ba dak MeECL mud don ayu hanta kapau ba MeECL lo kadon ge hendet kabala ban bisu ai lak claim NOC na ki competent authority kumusin bat naka Shillong board municipal te halor gane te nakalangjong nga desya halor gani ngala watching tip habide gani ke NOC hendrai nak NOC kapau ne bakam semlodon record te habide ni ngaspan kan mau ya pi ba kani kapau ba nang tai po office MeECL lo kadai kumbaong gibri ba kadon kaskam mo cerkei te ne ka pensya ba kumno yo like habam don abyo habam don yo habam yo NOC na po consent authority but omdan pata.
While alleging the Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited MEECL of corrupt activities, Disparsing Rani informed that as per RTI reports received, the number of vacancies in the department against 3,376 sanctioned posts is 2,320. He therefore questioned the MEECL on the functioning of the department with lack of staff. He further informed that around 1,000 crores of rupees had been sanctioned by the Asian Development Bank towards smart meter project of the Saubhagya scheme of the MEECL, but the same has not been utilized as per project details submitted by the corporation to the bank. Rani also said that as per RTI report, the MEECL has been providing household electricity connections to 342 houses instead of 1,000 houses in the Sweeper Line as projected earlier through a proposal to the department.
Ikani ke jubab hebdi bakan pus sengne ka tho sya ba ka total number of sanction pus kadon lai haja lai spa nyukriu ti ka bakan pus sengne kadon hadu ar haja lai spa arpotli bakan pus ti ne mi ba jingli ka string jong phangtai galong lai hajar bakan pus ka poido ar hajar te dutak jingli ba ha te jingli kumno la bandron ya kata department ada ki bakan pus kalong hadukan ni ta de ka ba amla mudur ba ka department ka ba klan ki jingpen mi bisa kandon hadukan ni ka bakan pus jingli kalong ba kum ketua skim ka ba sepenjak ka bisa na pos ketriat hadu si hajar keluri ka ba yo skim na po ka Asian Bank hanus nem baladem tikani bisa la sija kalayo la yo jing tibru la don ke jing karpat na po ka ne ka satnam global ban ai ta ki fix tikit na mentaban yo UC ban yo say ya bisa na po Asian Bank habide begini ka skim ka beri ka sau bahaya skim tikane ka dik bag jingli ka bagi nong trei hadu kan ne klem kam kham jang ka don na sang chang pos mala ban thep kane ka wan ka skam ka besra khei bahang tai po hapo MeECL hadu ba imat ka tai ban men kan salong kum ka titanik ka bala jangam ti habai dei kane na kalyang layo jing tip ro ka don ka jingkar pat na kanika statnam global agency ka ba implement ni ka smart meta project ka ba pan ni ki fik sertifikat hadu ar pusan hajar household namun taban yo se ya pisana po Asian Bank tikane ka ba mla medur ba ketipan men ka ba borok ki borom rei kane ka skam kami ka we hadin ka we ti habede bane nakalang junga aktivis ka bu jingkali ka department ka lomba lada kinong trei ka bade ka sanction pus ka bade ka hok jong ki pai ba ban yo ka mung tai la suja ko ne khlem thum ta ara jala spa ti bale jingkali bale pade ka pisa ba yo na po ka bang hap ban penjab yang kumne hap ban penjab yang kumne ti la sai mano kan siu itu balun hap siu yang mi pai ba jingkali kan kolap ka we hadin utar pita jingkali ba ha ba bu ini ke department hang tai apa MeECL nomor ba adu siajar kluri ero imat bentar lapoi puat ba katu skim kan suja damano ban si penja ini ke skim ke jingkali kalong hadu menta empat bujili ini pos hadu menta apa ini lakdar ini hadu menta 4 bujili ini pos jingkali long ka pisang bu seno kane jing thok kane lai ta depsiu pisang tai polo baran ne asibili kuat katu brand kuat nyo prasan atau teter ne bom ne brio accident itu pos adep siu bisa ne du menta lempat sna ini pos te kapal bang bisa kan suja tu kita di barit du banga sakhi ba pleng MCB mut babon ne ka suthok ka sujler ya ka ka bisa ka pai ba la siu rei adu menta ladangat ne pos kai ke mendia ngat ne pos